In this video, we're going to add reinforcement to a foundation. So we have opened the structural file. We've gone to structure. We've inserted an isolated footing, which is shown in the drawing area. Now the footing is a rectangular one, 2400 by 1800 by 450 millimeter deep. We've already set the cover under structural, right? All the covers to rebar have been set to 50 millimeters. All right, so here we have selected the foundation. Now it is good that we can work both in plan, but it is also good to have a section. All right, so we're going to do a section. We just move this here in, and then we go to the browser, project browser. We look for section, we double click on section, and we zoom in just to see how or where the section is. So when we're going to place the reinforcement on, in the plan view, it should appear in the section. So we can work either in the plan view or in the section. Now to see both views, we go to view and then we click on tile and we adjust accordingly. All right, so here we are. All right, so now we can make this one not visible. We just hide it. All right, so okay, then we select the base. The base is highlighted. You're going to see under properties, you get details about the footing, the structural. In the structural part, you've got the cover use. So here we go to modify structural foundation. You've got that rebar tool. We click on it. This node is going to appear. This is only just to give you the different rebar shape. Just press on OK. You've got the rebar shapes available. Let's say we are to put the U-bar, so we just browse in, we zoom in. All right, now you have to be careful when you are using this. Now here, if I put it, it's going to be like a C. All right, so let's do it. You're going to see in the section. So if we place one here, all right, so this one, it's not appearing in the section. So let's see what is the problem here. So in this plan it appears, but here it doesn't show. Not a problem. So what we do, we select the whole thing. Okay, let's see. All right, so yeah, it is probably because we have put the section above. We have just to move the section somewhere else. So here it is. To reveal the section, we are here. So yes, the bar is a bit on the other side. Now you can see. All right, so here you can see how the bar is. So as I said earlier, you've placed the bar like this. This is not the type of bar you want. You want the U to start to be different. You don't want this top face to appear. So what happened is when we place the reinforcement, all right, so let me just put that again back. All right, and hide element, yes. Okay, so now I'm just going to take it and move it a little above, and I'm going to just place another reinforcement here. Click, same bar. When I come here, I zoom in. If I do it now, it's going to be the same as the previous one. So what I need to do is I press on spacebar, and you're going to see that at the end you've got like two circle, all right, shaded one. So this is the good one. So if I click here, you're going to see that you've got the U-bar we want. So it's good that you work with the section just to know that you're placing the U-bar in the correct position. Hence the reason why I said you should work both on plan and have a section next to it, so that you can see whatever reinforcement you're placing in the plan, it's the right one you want, and this is only observed in the section. Similarly, when I'm placing the other bar in the other direction, alright, so I've got the orientation, so I just press on spacebar and you can see that the two at the end, you've got these shaded circle. So now if I take a section in the other direction, alright, so yes, so I just need to do it like this, then my bar is going to be correct, right? And this is right, this is correct. Okay, now once this is done, I need to get rid of the bar which is not correct, this one. Okay, now what I've done here is I've just placed one rebar in both directions, so I need to make sure that the rebar is placed at a certain spacing. Alright, so when I click on that, under my modifier, I'm going to see layout single. So here I need to change it to maximum spacing, and I need to factor in my spacing. Let's say my spacing is 150. Alright, so it is going to be adjusted, and you can see the quantity, but it is hidden because you can't change it. Alright, based on the spacing, you're going to have 17 such bars, so that's right. Then you go to the vertical one. Alright, so you select the vertical one. Again, it is single, you change it to maximum number, and if you want to alter this to 200, alright, you press, you're going to have it adjusted on the plan, and you're going to see the quantity a little grayish, but this quantity you cannot change. Alright, so now you can see the reinforcement in the plan as well as in the section. Alright, so now you have seen these reinforcement. Okay, so we've got section 1, we've got section 2. Okay, so this is good. That's all. In our next video, we're going to show you how we modified these reinforcement accordingly.